Have you wanted to get online and offline notifications in Slack? Watch the rest of this video for how to do that. I'm Brenda from Remote It, and today I'm going to show you how I created a Slack app to send notifications of my devices going online and offline to a Slack channel using a webhook. I've already opened up Slack and I'm going to create an app from scratch. Name my service, and pick a workspace. Once I've done that, I just go to incoming webhooks, turn it on, add a new webhook to my workspace, and select the channel I want the notifications to go to, and that will generate a webhook URL that I will then copy and put into the account section of my Remote It account. Saving that, then I go to Slack, and you can see that I've added an integration. To test this, I am going to turn off a device manually in Remote It. As you can see, all my notifications came in with the services that stopped. And let's bring them back online. And there you have it. For more information and tips, keep tuned to this channel. Thanks. Bye-bye.